వెల్కమ్ టు జెస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. మన ఛానల్ ద్వారా ఏకలవ్య మోడల్ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి పీజీటీ, టీజీటీ, హాస్టల్ వార్డెన్, లైబ్రేరియన్ పోస్టులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఐసీటీ బిట్స్ అయితే చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్రీవియస్గా ఒక 6 చాప్టర్లు అయితే కంప్లీట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ప్రస్తుతం నెట్వర్కింగ్ సంబంధించినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. Option A automatic, option B half duplexing, option C full duplex, option D simplex, option E none of these. Answer option C full duplex. Second question, which of the following cables can transmit data at high speed? Option A flat cable, option B coaxial cable, option C optic fiber cable, option D twisted pair cable, option E UTP cable. Answer option C optic fiber cable. Third question, networking using fiber optic cable is done as. Option A it has high bandwidth, option B it is thin and light, option C it is not by affected by electromagnetic interference or power surges, option D all of the above, option E none of the above. Answer option D all of the above. Fourth question, which of the following is not a property of fiber optic cabling? Option A transmits at faster speed than copper cabling, option B easier to capture a signal from the copper cabling, option C very resistant to interference, option D carries signals as light waves, option E less attention. Answer option C very resistant to interference. Fifth question, a device that connects to a network without the use of cables is said to be. Option A distributed, option B cabled, option C centralized, option D open source, option E wireless. Answer option E wireless. Sixth question, bandwidth refers to dash. Option A the cost of the cable required implement a WAN, option B the cost of the cable required implement a LAN, option C the amount of information a communication medium can transfer in a given amount of time, option D the amount of information a peer-to-peer network can store, option E none of the above. Answer option D the amount of information a peer-to-peer network can store. Seventh question, which of the following represents the fastest data transmission speed? Option A bandwidth, option B bps, option C gbps, option D kbps, option E mbps. Answer option C gbps. Eighth question, which of the following terms is associated with networks? Option A ms excel, option B mouse, option C word, option D connectivity, option E plotter. Answer option D connectivity. Ninth question, what type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Option A printer, option B speaker, option C floppy disk drives, option D keyboards, option E none of the above. Answer option A printer. Tenth question, Ethernet token ring and token bus are types of. Option A WAN, option B LAN, option C communication channels, option D physical media, option E none of the above. Answer option B LAN. 11th question, the advantage of LAN is. Option A sharing peripheral, option B backing up your data, option C saving all your data, option D accessing the web, option E automatic printing of data. Answer option A, sharing peripheral. 12th question, which type of the following items is not used in local area network? Option A, interface. Option B, cable. Option C, computer. Option D, modem. Answer option D, modem. 13th question, which type of network would use phone lines? Option A, WAN. Option B, LAN. Option C, WWAN. Option D, wireless. Answer option A, WAN. 14th question, which is the highest reliability topology? Option A, mesh topology. Option B, tree topology. Option C, bus topology. Option D, star topology. Option E, none of these. Answer option A, mesh topology. 15th question, hub is associated with dash network. Option A, bus. Option B, ring. Option C, star. Option D, mesh. Option E, all of these. Answer option C, star. 16th question, in which topology every node is connected to two other nodes? Option A, bus topology. Option B, ring topology. Option C, star topology. Option D, mesh topology. Option E, none of these. Answer option B, ring topology. 17th question, name of the fourth layer of OSI model. Option A, application layer. Option B, data link layer. Option C, transport layer. Option D, session layer. Option E, none of these. Answer option C, transport layer. 18th question, in the following list of devices, which device is used in network layer? Option A, repeaters. Option B, router. Option C, application gateway. Option D, switch. Answer option B, router. 19th question, an alternate name for the completely interconnected network topology is? Option A, mesh. Option B, star. Option C, tree. Option D, ring. Answer option A, mesh. 20th question, dash is the most important or powerful computer in a typical network? Option A, desktop. Option B, network. Option C, network server. Option D, network station. Option E, network switch. Answer option C, network server. ఇలా ఈ విధంగా మన ఛానల్లో ఈఎంఆర్ఎస్ సంబంధించినటువంటి అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకు కూడా ప్రీవియస్ బిట్స్ కానీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి మన ఛానల్ అయితే అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.